You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge.
Hello guys, this is my 1987 Nissan Skyline GTSX. This is my daily driver. I drive it every day. I don't have a lot of mods on it, but it has a 20G turbo. It has a 255 WALBRO fuel pump. It has GTR injectors. It has NISTUNE. It has an AFR gauge. It has a 5-lug swap. It has these Revolution 3-piece wheels on it. It has a lot of cool features from the factory. It doesn't have any fancy stuff, but for an 87, it has the auto spoiler in the front that goes up and down, and it has lumbar support. It has power folding mirrors. It has power mirrors. It has power windows, power locks. It even has a remote control for the alarm. It has very nice stuff for it to be an 87.